Hello guys, in this video we will cover the 5 formulas. One is the sum, second is average, count, minimum and maximum. So firstly we will find out the sum from the data. So how can we find out the sum of the total data? Okay, so firstly before the input the any formula, put the equal sign, equal, type a sum. You can also see the multiple formula from there. Choose the right formula which you want. Okay, sum, select the cells from the data, bracket close, copy the formula and paste here. Okay, find out the average. How to find? Equal, average, enter. This is the average of the sales, bonus and salary. Count. Count. What is the count? Count is the counting number of the rows and columns. Okay. So count. There are the 15 rows in the data. Minimum is the find out the minimum value from the data. What is the minimum value in the data? Okay. So this is the minimum value of 45,000 and bonus is a 0. You can also see. Okay, so what is the maximum value from the data in the sales? This is the maximum value of the data. Okay, so this is a small video for you. If you have any doubt, please please comment, and you can also ask me my Telegram channel. Okay, thank you.